if you're not aware the benefits you are eligible for in Canada, you're missing out on a lot of opportunity. And how you can find out the benefits which are eligible to you. For that, in today's video, I'll show you step by step. First is, this is the government website, okay? Canada government website. All relevant links are in the description. So make sure to check out the description. That way you go to the right link. And even better, click that link, keep this video side by side, and you do every step as I do. And by end, you would know what benefits you are eligible for. For that, we come to this link in Canada government's website, benefit section. Okay, the link again will be in the description, benefit finder. Here, you can either browse benefit by topic or you can just get started. So when you're starting completely blank, you don't know anything, it's better to get started so that you don't miss out on, and it's going to take 2 to 5 minutes as it shows. So we'll click on get started. Now we have come to the benefit finder page, and here you will keep entering information, and at the end it will throw you result on which all benefit you might be eligible. So first thing is the province or territory, selecting Ontario. Are you affected by coronavirus? So I'm saying no here. What is your age? Say 36. Do you consider your household income to be low? So here, if you say yes, your benefits are going to be multifold if your household income is low, which I'm sure you would know. A lot of benefit you get access to if your household income is low. And if it is not low, then you start losing on those benefits. But even then, there are a lot of benefit which people are not aware. So for our video, we'll say our household income is low. Yes. Then we'll come down here, and this is the health situation question, and here I'm saying no health related concern. You can go and read and check any of these boxes if it is applicable. Then, do you have children or legal you're a legal guardian? Yes, we'll say yes. And then we mention age of the child. So the age of the child has been mentioned. Then child's health, I'm saying no health related concern. And employment situation, let's see what happens if someone is unemployed and seeking work. And would you like to provide little more information? Of course, yes. What is your marital status? Married. What is the age of your spouse? So you enter the spouse age here. Okay. And then in addition to current marital status, have you previously been any of these situation? No. In terms of housing, so say renting. Are you a member of immediate family member deceased? Any of these situations? No. If any of them are gravely ill or risk of dying, then you select this option. And then here you have options to choose from. A newcomer, for example, you're a newcomer. Okay, select this, or you choose any of the option which is available here. Then you click on. Now you are shown the result categories. See here what all benefits you may be eligible for. Canada child benefit because the child is under the age of 18 years. Dental benefit because the income is low income, less than 90,000 per year for the family. Then the dental benefit also you get. Then the education saving grant, learning bond, child care fee subsidy because you have a child, family and caregiver benefit. See here, this is for who are on employment insurance and benefit of low income families with children. Then Ontario child benefit because the province is Ontario. So in your case, based on your province, you will get those details. And you see there's a list of benefits what you get here. Comes to education training program, employment and business startup program. Again, employment and business startup program. Again, if you want to know how to start a business, I have multiple videos to make the business up and running. You can watch that. Then you see here what all government jobs you can look for, and then health program, housing program, then the immigration program. So these are all a long list of benefits what you can be eligible for. So this is one way to check what all benefit you are eligible for. You can do multiple combination depending on your situation, and you will get to see the result. Then you can email this result to your email address, and that way you don't miss out on any of the benefits. In case you want me to make any detailed video on any particular benefit, do let me know in the comment and I'll try to make one for you. Thank you guys. Friends, do check out my website canadatriedandtested.com, which I keep updating from time to time. And as you can see, I have organized everything in a way easy for you to find based on the topic of your interest, be it business, be it Canadian citizenship, and anything and everything what you would be interested in. Baby related, immigration tools, anything related to Mississauga, Toronto, personal finance, or even saving. So don't forget to check out the website. This will be quite useful in your search.